How to get unblocked from Instagram Live. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you get unblocked from the Instagram Live. So if you are still facing the problem like you can't watch the Instagram Live from your account, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open setting from your device. So simply open the settings, and now from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like app. So simply tap on the app settings. Alright, so now from the app setting, you'll have to scroll down and find the app Instagram. And after you find the Instagram, you'll have to just tap on that app. Alright, so from the app info of Instagram, you'll have to just scroll down and go the option storage. So simply tap on it. And now from here, tap on the clear cache just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so once you are done from here, you'll have to just back from here and open the Instagram app. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your login account, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on profile icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from here, tap on three line just at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, so from here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go with the options like help. So simply it will appear on the more info and support. So simply tap on this help. Alright, so now from the help section you will got so many options here. So from here you'll have to go with first one, report a problem. Alright, tap on report problem. Okay, so from here tap on include and continue. Alright, so now from the report problem section you'll have to explain your problem briefly, that you are not able to watch the Instagram live from your account. So simply from here you can explain your problem, and as you can also add your screenshot of that problem. So from here you can upload that screenshot. So after you done this from here, you'll be able to solve that problem from the Instagram support team. So this is the easiest and simplest way to solve that problem. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.